was like, why do I have to answer first?
No.
And that led to a big fight.
Kasi we would always do it na parang ganon. So I was like, but that's how we've always done it. And then she's like, yeah, but we don't have to do
But
it
she
that
wanted to
way.
change it.
Oh,
She wanted
so,
to change things up.
tapos, it led to our longest fight. As in, 2 weeks na hindi tayo nag-uusap.
I can't believe
And-
you guys fought.
No, but here's the thing, we've had worse fights.
Yeah.
Pero, it didn't protract this long.
That long. It's true.
I
It
wonder
was
if
all
there-
because of this fight.
I wonder if that's like parang may deeper roots yan. Like parang, is there something like, I wish we had like a psychologist.
Hindi, kasi ito nga yung sinasabi namin na parang this was when we were feeling our way through. Because remember,
Yeah.
most people, if you're an accountant or you're like a doctor or whatever,
Right.
you're working on your own.
Yeah.
You know, and this is the kind of like rare jobs where you have a partner
And you really,
in
really
your
have to
job and you like
interact with them.
literally have to deal with each other every day.
Yeah.
And these were we were figuring out the rules,
Yeah.
what was allowed, what was
Yeah.
not allowed. And some rules changed that.
Yeah.
Remember how we used to like get mad when we bring up yung personal like
Yeah.
if we start talking about family or
Right.
something, it was a no-no.
Oh.
But for some reason, as the years went on, we just started talking about our
Para
family.
mas naging open.
Dati kasi talaga, it wasn't allowed. As in, it was unspoken. We never told each other na, we can talk about my family. It's just that
It
we
just-
never did.
Because of the topics, it led you to sharing your life. Because how could you answer questions
Right.
without having
Exactly.
to say anything about your life?
Pero remember how before we would super stay away from that.
Right.
And we didn't talk about like our personal like, religions.
Yeah.
Ang dami naming rules before na unspoken, but we understood that you're not supposed to go there.
So that's my question.
Yeah.
Okay, those were my questions. After the break, there are still some questions about the early years of you and the show.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll get to that after this short break. I like
Mas ano ko mas takot ako doon sa questions ng listeners. Kasi tayo magkaibigan pa rin tayo.
Alam mo yung,
Di ba,
at the end of the day, meron ka pa rin ito.
I know you're still looking out for you.
Konsensya ka pa rin.
Pero sila, they just want the truth.
Okay, so it's coming up.
Oh,
Your
and-
question might be asked. Did you want to say?
And just thank you to everybody. You were trending number 2 in the Philippines.
Thank you very
Hey, thank you.
much. Okay, your questions after this break.
Now, the